Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. In this video we are going to learn about how to list plants on Amazon. So first of all, log in your Amazon seller account, then click on these three lines. Now click on catalog, now click on add products. Now here type the keywords of your product. For example, aloe vera plant. Write your keywords according to your product. Then click on submit. Now click on create a new listing. For proper Amazon product listings, click on all attributes. Now they are asking you to generate automatic content. Simply skip this because if you want to list plants, this option will not be helpful in your case. Okay, so skip this. Absolutely skip this. Item name, which is also known as title of your product. Now here write the title of your product according to your need. For example, aloe vera plant. Mention whether it is outdoor plant, indoor plant. You can also write benefits of your plant. Okay, now product type. Now they are recommending you a product type. Product type is also known as category of your product. So they are recommending you this category. If you are satisfied with their recommendation, just click on confirm. Otherwise you can select other category by searching for your category here. For example, aloe vera plant, then click on search. Now you can select suitable category for your plant. Okay, just like this. Now again they are recommending you browsing notes. So if you are satisfied with their recommended browsing notes, just go with them. Otherwise you can choose from this drop down menu. For example, whether your plant is outdoor plant, whether it is indoor plant, whether they are only seeds, etc. Okay, choose according to your plant. Okay, now variations. If this product has variation, click on this product has variation. Otherwise ignore this. Brand name. So we are listing non-branded plants, so click on this product does not have a brand name, and in product ID click on I do not have a product ID. Okay, now click on next. Now they are asking you to write description and bullet points. You should write your product description very briefly. However, just to show you, writing only single line just to show you. For example, aloe vera plant for garden. Bullet points. Bullet points are key features of your product. For example, what can be the features of aloe vera? Like best quality, best quality, like you can also mention medical properties or other benefits of your plant. For example, good for skin, like aloe vera is good for acne, scars, etc. You can add multiple bullet points according to your need. Okay, now add the image of your product. You can upload maximum 9 images for your product. Right now I do not have any image for aloe vera plant because I don't want to list plant. I am listing this plant just to show my subscribers how to list plant. Okay, so right now I am adding a t-shirt picture. click on product details. Manufacturer. In manufacturer, you can write your store name or either you can write generic. It's up to you. Only these star fields are necessary to fill, okay? Item type name. Item type name, plant. But you can also mention indoor plant or outdoor plant in item type name, okay? Color. What is color of your product? So color of this product is green. Of course, most of the plants are green, but it's according to your plant. Now manufacturer contact information. In manufacturer contact information, you can either write your factory's address or your store address, or you can also write your house address also. For example, is product expirable? Well, most of the plants are expirable, but if your plant is outdoor plant and your plant is very strong type of plant, then choose no, otherwise choose yes. Product expiration type. Does not expire, expiration date required, expiration on package, product date required, production date required, or shelf life. You can select any of these. You can also select shelf life. For example, shelf life of your product is in days. How many days? For 180 days. For example, 180 days, okay? You can write according to your product. Of course, you should know about your plant before listing. Unit count type and unit count. First of all, in unit count type, choose count, and in unit count, choose 1. Okay, 1 count of aloe vera plant. HSN code. Now, external product information is also known as HSN code for your product, okay? So you can search for HSN code of your plant with simple Google search. Right now I am typing here a random HSN code just to complete listing. You can also select soil type if you want. However, this is not a compulsory field, okay? Importer contact information and packer contact information. You can write anything in importer contact information, packer contact information. For example, your store address, factory address, home address, etc. Okay. Indoor outdoor usage. Mention whether your plant is indoor or outdoor plant. Okay. Now click on offer. You can leave SQID. Quantity. How much quantity do you have to sell? For example, 5 quantity. Your price. At what price do you want to sell your product? For example, 499. Maximum retail price. Your maximum retail price should be greater than your price. 799. Offering condition type. New. Of course, the plant is new. Fulfillment channel, Amazon EasyShip. Now write the dimensions of your item. For example, length of your item width of your item and height of your item. First of all, choose item length unit. For example, whether it is microns, millimeters, centimeters, etc. or inches. So I will choose inches. So the plant is, for example, 7 inches long. Inches. How many? 4 inches. Now height. Measure the dimensions of your plant carefully. Okay. Now click on safety and compliances. Now select the country of origin. Dangerous goods regulation. If your plant is dangerous, select otherwise. Click on not applicable or unknown. Now weight of your plants. First of all, choose the item weight unit, whether it is in milligrams, grams, kilos, ounces, pounds, etc. I will choose grams. So the weight of my plant is 300 gram. Okay. Now you can leave these fields. Okay, now click on submit. Here you can see your listing is successfully submitted. That's all for today's video. Thank you.